The Alpina 48-volt battery-powered chainsaw is a revolution in home wood cutting. It's powerful, lightweight and efficient, making easy work of jobs around the garden. Forget the hassle of mixing fuels, refilling the tank, fumes and starting problems of a petrol model. This machine is simplicity itself. Its class-leading Alpina 48-volt lithium-ion battery powers a highly efficient Digitalk brushless motor. You'll get energy and cost savings from this intelligent, power-saving technology. Using the saw is as simple as pushing the start button and holding the drive trigger. With the 4 amp-hour battery fitted, you'll get up to an impressive 50 minutes runtime, equal to 150 cuts through 10 centimeter logs. The Oregon chain and bar can be simply adjusted. The chain is automatically lubricated from the translucent oil reservoir, making it easy to check the level. The chainsaw has all the safety features you'd expect, and at just 5.5 kilograms with the 4 amp-hour battery fitted is lightweight too, making it ideal for all users. The reduced noise and fumes, incredible convenience, competitive purchase and operating costs, and the market-leading rechargeable 48-volt battery pack single out this Alpina chainsaw as a leader in its field. The Alpina 48-volt battery-powered chainsaw, part of the Alpina 48-volt cordless range.